Alright, the next block that I'll be needing to create is the one that gives us options to manage our candidates. It's provide links like those that help you view already created candidates or register a new candidate, stuff like that. So let's get it rolling. I'm going to paste this one and then just edit it so I don't have to type every other thing all over again. So I'll paste this, then change some of these things. So no, so this is gonna help us manage candidates. Alright, and the first link is that which okay, our first link is going to be structured just like this last that we built. We are going to have to go through the same process again. Reason being that I didn't even mention the link that I'm planning to build. Now the first link is a link that views registered candidates. Now I would want us to go through the course list page again, because when you're viewing candidates, I just don't want candidates to get pulled out at random, but they should be pulled out based on the courses that they are registered on. If for example a candidate is registered to HTML5 and you want to view the candidate on the system, you click on HTML5, you get to see that candidate. But if he isn't, when you click HTML5, you see people registered to HTML5 only. Do you understand? Well, you're not here to answer yes or no, but stay with me, guys. Eventually you will. Let's just keep working. So I'm going to clear these two off for right now. Then let's keep working with this long funny looking guy. So all we need to change is this. Where is this page gonna go to from here? Alright, since we're trying to view candidates, it's definitely going to the view candidates page. Okay, view candidates. Okay, the page title also have to change. Let's say select a course and view registered candidates. Makes sense. Select a course and view registered candidates. Alright, so here is alright, I think we are good. Then finally we'll get an option to register a new candidate here. Now let me copy one of these. Copy. So this should be register candidates. Okay, and this should be going to how do we call this? New candidate should do. Alright, should be going to new candidate just .php, new candidate .php. Alright, let's save this off. Well, that's basically it for this block. I think that's all we'll be needing on this block. Well guys, I hope you are following. In case you don't, you can always leave a comment down below for me and I'll be sure to answer your questions. So let's move on. The next block that we want to build right now is is our results option. It's going to give the admin an opportunity to view completed exams and scores. Excuse me, still yawning profusely. For this block we don't need too much, so let me just pick this right here, copy this and paste it off here. Let me back this up a little so we can see what's happening. Okay, so change this head tree to results. Alright, we'll be using just one link for this because there isn't much to do other than to view results. So let me take this out. So this href will be going to how do we name this page? Let's say wow let's say view results. Guys, I think I'm pressed for something. You just excuse me for a minute. I'll be right back in a jiffy. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I just needed to go do something. So we were saying results, so this page should go to view results. View results.php. This should be view results. One more link. I think we should have opportunities to change password and stuff like that. I'm gonna call this settings. Settings, and then this should be going to where, what page, how do we name this new page? This is for change. Let's change password. Works, right? Change password, so they should go to change password. Change password.php. Nice. So that's everything for the admin area. Next up that we should be building is oh god, guys, I'm so sorry. It's been a long day. I'm really exhausted, but I just feel I should complete this video. You guys should bear with me, please. I think I'm gonna pause off for a minute, catch my breath, and then continue. Ouch. Alright people, next off we are gonna build links that instructors get to see once logged in. What I'm gonna do is I will copy of all of this, alright, like this. I'll copy this, paste it down here and edit. Why is this looking as if my curly braces are not complete? Where does my if closes off? I definitely should have a closing curly brace down here. That's better. Alright, I'm gonna copy off all of this. Copy and paste it here. Cool. this one should be instructors links. I should have an apostrophe here. Good. So what we'll need to change from this query right here is and privilege equal to 2, because 2 is the privilege level for our instructor. So every other thing stays the same. We are querying the same table, but we are just checking to see that the privilege is actually an instructor's privilege level. Alright, so the first block of option is to manage exams. So I'm going to take off this manage examiners because instructors don't have a business managing examiners. You can't manage yourself, admin does that. Alright, manage exams, which is this right here. What we're going to do is give them, let them view created exams. Okay, and let's see we created exams, create new exams. No, instructor shouldn't be able to create a new exam, so let me take this one off. The admin create new exam. I'm going to take this off. Then let's see, view instructions. They should be able to view instructions. So these are the two we are going to leave on this block. Okay, that looks nice to me. Okay, alright, cool. But the next block is going to be that which gives us opportunity to manage questions. So what I'm going to do is to change this to manage questions, so as to let the instructor add new questions to the system and also view questions he's added. He's added already questions. Makes sense, right? Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, our first link is gonna, let's see, view questions. Let's let these guys here view questions that they've added. So view questions, it's cool. So this one is, this should be leading to course list. Yeah, should be leading to course list, but then the reference is going to be view questions. So let's change this. qst.php. Page title is going to be select course to add questions onto. Select a course and view added questions. Looks good to me. Hope I'm not leaving anything out.